Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Agrawal, and now I am going to continue my next session. This is the complete training on Ansys. Let's start. I'm going to the Ansys here, all program, and this is my Ansys, and I'm going to start the workbench, Ansys Workbench. In my previous video I have make a video about the introduction of workbench and how to start the workbench. Here I am going to click on workbench. This is going to be start the workbench. This is going to be start, and now I will tell you about the modeling section of the workbench, how we can make a modeling. Modeling is very important consideration and very important part for the analysis point of view, because without modeling and without model we cannot analyze the product. So here one by one I will make the video for the modeling, and the modeling is Ansys modeling is basically to make a model, and make a model. Actually, Ansys is an analysis software, but it has some modeling tools as well. These modeling tools will help you a lot for making any kind of model. You can also make a model from any modeling software, like you can make a model on CATIA, you can make a model of Unigraphics, you can make a model on SolidWorks, you can make a model on Solid Edge. Any modeling in any modeling software you can make a model, and you can import it in Ansys as well. So this is the structural analysis. I am going to select it. What we'll have to, I will press the left button, and I'm continue pressing it and shifting my mouse to this and remove the button, so it will open like this. It will open like this, and this is the engineering data. In this engineering data, what you will make, you will be able to select the material section. In this section there is a material section, this is a geometry section. In this section you can make a model. In this model section you can make the meshing of that particular product, and this setup product you can add the setup. You can make a boundary condition. That means where from where I can make a fixed support, from where I can make apply the load. And this is the solution where we solve the problems, and this is the result where we can see the result. This is the right trick already selected. That means by default structural steel is selected. I will open this button, structural steel. I'm double clicking on it. When I double click on engineering data, so engineering data is open. This is the engineering data resources. This is the engineering data sources, and this is the engineering data. Structure steel is already selected. General material, this is the general material. I will click on this general material, and all materials are here. This structure steel is already selected. That's why this sign is this symbolic representation showing that structural steel is selected. Suppose I want to select the stainless steel, I have to click on this particular sign. When I click on it, so this sign will be create like this. And when if I want to select that copper alloy, then I have to be click on this particular sign, plus sign. So these three material I have selected. Now I will cut it. So all three materials I have selected. Then I need to we go to the geometry. This geometry section I want to double click. When I double click on this geometry section will open, and this geometry section includes, in this video I will make a simple video for extrude tool. With the help of extrude tool I can make a simple video. This is going to be open. You can also import the objects from other softwares made. This is the geometry section. In this geometry section, these are the tree, this is the tree, and this is actually the compass for axis. Suppose I want to add, these are the tools. Extrude tool, you have to go to this XY plane and go to the Z axis. I want to and go to the sketching. In this is sketching, we have some tool, and you can go to the rectangular, make a rectangle like this. You can make a dimension as well. This is the dimension and this is the dimensions, and these dimensions can be edited there. So I can edit the dimension. I can making it 20, and I can also making this 20 as well. So this is 25. So this is 20 and this is 25, and this is isometric view. This is the isometric view, and now I want to extrude the tools. So I will click on extrude tool. This is the extrude tool. Apply the geometry, because if I apply the geometry, this is apply. Okay, now add material section. Depth is required. So what is the depth you want? Suppose I will make a 30, then 30 is the length which I can make here, and if extrude is okay, then I can make the generate button. Generate button create the hole. This is the generate. This model has been already generated. This is a simple kind of video. In my next video you can easily understand how to create the different operations in extrude tool, and in my upcoming videos you will be able to use the revolve tool as well and sweep tool as well, because these are the most important tools in terms of as per the design is concerned. Suppose I want to remove the material from this, so I need extrude tool itself. So I need to new sketch, I need to collect new sketch, then look at plane. So I will, rectangle is there. Suppose I want to give the dimensions. I'm giving the dimensions and length and distance as well. Five, 10, 6, 6, and this is the second drawing. I want to extrude it, so this is extruding, and this directions, apply. Okay, then if I want, this is the operation section. If I want to cut the material, then I can cut the material with the help of cut. So when I generate the button, it will cut like this. all the material will be cutted. Suppose I want to add the material, I don't want to be cut the material, then I need to add the material. This is the add material section, and this direction normal should be reverse. So if the direction is reverse, then I generate the button. Then this is the generated model, and I have made the model like this. And this is the importance of extrude tool. With the help of extrude tool you can add the material or you can remove the material, and this is the complete information about the extrude tool. In my next video you can easily understand the next tools. Next tool would be revolve tool, and in my next video you can easily learn about the sweep tool. Thank you so much. Thank you for being thank you for hearing me. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and please like and comment. If you require any special kind of video about Ansys, you can comment as well. I can make a video like this. Thank you so much.